Noong nalaman namin na may autism si Jace, hindi ko na ine-expect na magagawa pa namin tong mga nagagawa namin ngayon. Hi! Mga Marikoy, kahapon nga pala, naiinip itong si Jace kaya niyaya ko siya mag-grocery.
Let's go to grocery store. I get poo.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What you will buy?
Do your cupcake.
Cupcake?
Can I make cupcake?
Get card first.
Also,
In the?
supermarket.
Oh, you put this one. Oh, dali na. Dali na. Oh. Faster, ha? You have to cook later.
That's a supermarket.
Okay. Dali na.
Mom, where is it yours?
There's the cupcake.
No,
What do you want?
cupcake. Lollipop.
Sa dami na nakikita niya mga Marikoy, di niya na alam kung ano yung unang kukunin niya.
You want some donut?
Oh, you get. I get na. You get.
Donut. Your
Oh.
donut.
This one.
Yes.
Strawberry. Oh.
Muffin.
What's that?
Muffin.
Muffin.
Pizza.
At dyan, bigla na lang siya nag-request na gumawa daw kami ng pizza. Naghahanap siya ng ingredients para sa pizza.
No pizza.
Later, you have to choose another one
And
first.
the supermarket.
Oh.
Where? Cool.
You're not allowed to drink Coke. Oh. There's the hot dog. Sabi you make pizza, di ba? Oh, there's the hot dog. You open.
Huh? Ah, that's an ice.
What?
Ouch.
Oh, put in the cart. Faster. Faster. Ah, it's cold.
Yes.
Oh, look for cheese. Oh, here.
Cheese. That's for pizza.
You make pizza also? Oh, put here.
Mommy. Dawn.
All done?
Where's it dawn?
What's that?
Dawn.
What's on?
Bum. Where's it bum?
Spam?
Sunflower.
Oh,
Ketchup.
oh, you have ketchup in the house?
Tomato sauce. Mommy is so happy.
Oh, where are you going? Dito, tinuturuan ko nga pala siya na wag kunin yung mga meron pa sa bahay at hindi naman namin kailangan. Nakakatuwa siya kasi bukod sa nakakausap na siya, nakikinig din siya sa akin.
This is the spam. Here.
That's not a spam.
Here. This one is a spam.
No, that's not a spam. What?
That's egg yolky.
No. Oh, you're not eating like that, diba? You don't like that one. Return mo. You don't need that one. You don't need that one.
Honey. It's a bee. I'm the bee. Where's your pancake? Don't make some pancake.
All done.
Lollipop. Where's the lollipop?
Look for the lollipop.
Here. Yay! It's a chips. These chips. Here. Want some lollipop?
Sige, you get na. Give to ate na. Nala. Oh, pay to ate na. Give to ate. Pagka-uwi namin, mga Marikoy, pinabuksan niya kagad sa akin itong cupcake tapos nilagyan niya ng chocolate syrup. Pati nga din pala itong donut na kinuha niya, pinabuksan niya sa akin, mga Marikoy. At para siya nagte-taste test dito ng mga pinagkukuha niya sa grocery store. Kaso hindi niya maubos kaya binigay niya kay Daddy Tano.
It's a yummy, Daddy.
This one or this one?
This one.
This one.
Kasi strawberry neburi.
Mmm! That's yummy!
That's sweet donuts.
Pagkatapos niya mag-taste test, nagluto na kami ng hotdog dahil gusto niya na daw gumawa ng pizza.
Oh, don't touch the ano. Cake? What are you pizza? It's a hot dog. You love cooking? Ah. You love cooking?
Yay!
This one is,
Hot dog.
this one hot. It's dangerous. Oh, like that na only. Only. Kanya-kanya kapal eh.
Mama, look at mommy.
You're a big girl na. Ay. Ay, good job. You're a chef?
I'm the cook.
Are you the cook?
Is that cook?
You're a cook pala. I don't know you're a cook.
Yeah.
You love cooking? Ah.
Make pizza. Mommy, let me pizza. I love cooking. Mommy, cook now. Oh.
Madalas nga pala ngayon, mga Marikoy, kapag nagluluto ako, sinasamahan niya ako at hindi ko sure kung tinutulungan niya ba ako. At kapag kasama ko siya habang nagluluto, natatagalan ako pero okay lang. Dahil ito yung matagal ko na nilook forward na magawa naming dalawa ni Jace. Anyway, sa kanya ko nga pala pinapaslice yung hotdog pero nagpatulong siya sa akin. Kaya pala siya nagpatulong kasi kakahinin niya yung hotdog, mga Marikoy, habang ini-slice ko. Kaya nilayo ko na sa kanya yung mga hotdog at binigyan ko siya ng ibang gagawin. Kaso mga Marikoy, kinuha niya pa rin at ayan, kinain na niya. Ang usapan, gagawa kami ng pizza pero ang nangyayari, nagbubukbang siya.
Spread.
Don't eat chop chop. Chop chop.
No more pizza na. You cannot make pizza na.
I can check in the fridge. The fridge.
At sa moment na yan, binigyan ko siya ulit ng pagkakataon na itama yung mga ginagawa niya, mga Marikoy, pero nagmumukbang pa rin talaga siya.
Babay pizza na.
The banana.
No more pizza na.
Dito naman, tinuturuan ko siya kung paano maglagay ng cheese. Kaso, bago niya matutunan ito, mga Marikoy, naubos na yung ingredients namin para sa pizza.
Girl! Only one pizza niya. No more na.
Don't look it. Look at your mouth.
At akala ko, mga Marikoy, papalagpasin niya na yung cheese, pero kahit cheese, hindi niya pinalagpas.
You nila make pizza. You mukbang. Talaga.
I'm eating cheese. It's yummy cheese.
Dito na nagtatapos yung ginawa naming pizza na buo siya sa loob ng tiyan ni Jace.
Look at your cheese. Look at it. Cheese.
Yung mukulit, yung mukulit, yung mukulit, yung mukulit, yung mukulit, yung mukulit, yung mukulit.
Look at mommy. Look at your dog. Look at. I'm full.
You're full talaga. You finished the hotdog. Kawawa na pizza. No more hotdog.
I can eat cheese.
No more.
Tok, 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 tok.